what's up? It's Aramis aka AA.Media. Today is another video on the Golf. So, a lot of people have been asking about my dynamic indicators. So, I'm going to show you how to install them. I could only find my old left hand side, so pretend that was in, yeah. To take this off in the first place, pull the cap off with mine. I'm pretty sure I broke those, so I can literally just get it from that angle and lift it up. If not, watch another YouTube video how to get them off. And then this has got, oops, sits in there. So you literally just pull the glass out, try not to pull it off of the actual heat shield with the heating plate. And it's got two Torx bits down there. And then obviously the Torx bits, two Torx bits that hold in the actual indicator, which are a T10 drill bit, T10 hex bit. I don't bother disconnecting that because it can slide through. Hey, what's going on? So you then disconnect this. You do have to originally see that white cable that is there. So instead of cutting into it, because I didn't know at the time which one it was, I literally just stripped some of the cable back and just pushed it in, and then pushed that clip back in. That is for the puddle light, the live for it, so it knows when you unlock the car for the first time or open the door, it will do the light show. And on, I had a bit of a rip in mine, so I just taped that back up. So that's under there. Use the original wiring harness. It does come with an additional one, but you don't need to. Clip that in, then seat it in like that. Nice and easy. It's literally just plug and play, apart from that cable. If you don't want it to do the light show, don't need to worry about plugging that in. If not, otherwise it'll just do the sequential. So it would just do that without it. Straight plug and play, apart from the one cable going down there. Nice and easy. This product was bought by Diversion Stores. They have Instagram. Don't know if you can see that, but they're on Instagram. Link is in the bio. www.diversionstores.com. Oh, sorry, www.diversionautomotive.com. And then you can go onto their Instagram, link in bio. You can shop by car. So for me, Volkswagen. You want to scroll down to Golf GTI. Well, for me, Golf R. So Mark 7, Mark 7.5, and then you got indicators. You got wing mirrors. You got spoilers. You got gear stick covers. Everything. You know what I mean? So paddle extensions. So you scroll down until you find the dynamic indicators, or if you can't bother to keep scrolling, which I can't, just dynamic indicators Mark 7. Oh, 7. So there they are. So you got them, which are right at the top, but I missed it. There you go. And then you can pick your colour. So I've got the dynamic white light show with puddle lights. You can go blue, you can go normal, so you have no light show. You got a blue light show light, but you have not got a puddle light. You know what I mean? Pick whatever you want. So for me it was that. So currently $79.99. And then you can pay via PayPal, whatever you want to do. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description as well, and to their Instagram.
Give them a follow. They upload some pretty cool stuff actually. So they do custom steering wheels, everything. So go check them out, see what you think, and yeah. Thank you very much for watching the video. Just a quick one while we're in quarantine. Might as well get some content out. And a lot of people was asking about my indicators, so there you go. Not the best install video, but they're already installed, so I kind of just made best of what I had and kind of showed you what you would have to do if you were to do it from scratch. But like I said, thank you very much for watching the video, and I shall catch you in the next one.